Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL PartyBox 1000 no sound, no working and no connecting. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to follow some steps. First, turn on your speaker by pressing the power button. After, you will need to press the plus button and the play button in your speaker together. You will need to press the plus button and the play button together about 15 to 20 seconds. So simply press the plus button and the play button in your speaker about 15 to 20 seconds. That's it. After your speaker will be resetted. And hopefully your problem will be fixed after that. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.